Welcome to another video. This is an introduction for one of our workshops called MRC Business Planning Workshop. This is a very exciting workshop, and the reason it's exciting is a bit different from other workshops that other people do in the market. And we are public accountants, but this is something beyond accounting profession. This is going into depth of other levels of requirements for any business person, either wants to start a business or is already in a business but is a bit lost or hit the glass ceiling, doesn't know what to do. This workshop will help the business person, the entrepreneur, to go through certain levels of understanding and find out their weaknesses, and we will identify their strengths, and then we will package it so that they can achieve their goals and they can do whatever business they're in, they'll do the best possible way. Now the first session we are going to introduce in this workshop is business mindset, business psychology. A lot of people, they get into business, but they have no idea what they're going to face. They mentally are not ready, and they don't know what challenges they're going to face. The failure rate for small businesses, startups, is so high. According to ABS statistics, we have failure rate of 60% first year of a start, and then 90% by the time they go through third year. And that's very high. That means every 10 business people start, 9 of them fail within 3 years. That's a high, is like gambling. So why they fail, we'll discuss this in the workshop. And we will pull out the reasons and the challenges and why they fail, and what are the 3 most important reasons all the businesses fail within 3 years. Now, we will discuss the tools you need to acquire and to learn and improve your skill sets before even you take the first step. If you're already in a business, then we will obviously identify what tools and what you need to learn and how you're going to improve your skill sets. We will practically go through step by step what you need so that you can become efficient and you improve your chances of being successful, so that you are a part of the 10% top success story. And writing a business plan, it's another version of calling it goal setting. Now we all talk about goal settings, and as soon as someone mentions goal setting, they're so numb now. They've been repeated and failed, and we become numb towards it. We're going to discuss the details of how we're going to set our goals, and I'm going to break it down from a 5-year plan, business plan, which I got to tell you, business plan has to coincide and coexist with your life. If you're going to isolate your business apart from your life and day-to-day life, you're going to fail, because they have to coexist, they have to correlate. So therefore, we're going to set goals, and I'm going to discuss physically and in detail how you can take a step-by-step from 5-year plan, narrow it down to 1 year, and then monthly, then weekly, and then daily. And I'll introduce you tools that you could use that it will monitor your performance and action list. Now, there'll be 7 factors and 7 steps to write your business plan. And we're going to discuss it in the workshop one by one, how you write a perfect, efficient, effective business plan so that you can follow it and you don't get disappointed. Now, the workshop is Q&A. You can ask questions anytime, and we have a limited attendance. So therefore that we can attend to all the questions that are asked, and we can answer it as much as we can. So it's not a seminar having 500 people in the room so no one can ask questions. This is a workshop. And I invite you to join this workshop. We are conducting it once a month in Gold Coast initially, and then we're going to expand to Sydney, Brisbane, and Melbourne. Now, what we need to do is, some people have asked me in the past, oh, can you make it early bird free? And some people have said, oh, you can't get, if anything is free, that means it's got no value. I don't want to give away anything free, but there's a limited seats available for early bird to register as free pass. But if you register as a VIP attendee, then you're going to get bunch of bonuses. You'll be sitting in the VIP row. You'll get so many benefits out of this, which I've got on the website, as well as I've listed over $2,000 bonuses as a VIP member. You will receive it. And yes, the cost is $299 to join this workshop as a VIP, and but you will get over $2,395 of value of other services that will offer you for as a compliment, as a bonus from our organization. If you attend as a free, that's okay. You won't get the bonuses, but at least you will get the attendance free. You can sit in a business plan. It's a one-day jam-packed information workshop. This is a step-by-step in detail writing your business plan. If you are in business or you are planning to go in business, you owe yourself to attend this workshop. There's no excuse now. If you don't have the money, okay, we have early bird. If early bird for first session is finished, go to the next session. But you have no excuse now to attend this workshop and make sure you improve your chances of success in business over the next 5 years. You can't just jump into the ocean of business with none of these tools that we're going to talk about. That means your failure rate is 100%, 99.9%. You are just gambling your life. That's what you're doing. You're not really starting a business. You are a gambler, and you're just jumping into the ocean without knowing how deep it is. Therefore, to improve your efficiency, improve your knowledge, and improve your vision so that you improve your chance of success, attend this one-day workshop. Even if you don't attend anything else in your life, attend this one-day workshop. I have 35 plus years of accounting, business, and entrepreneurship experience. I'm going to jam-pack you. I'm going to give you so much that you will say, enough, I can't take more. And you can go digest, and you have other avenues you might be able to tap into my knowledge base. Therefore, I invite you, I request you, for your own sake, attend this workshop. MRC Business Planning Workshop. It's unique, and it will be the one of a kind in Australia. I want you to enjoy it. And at the end of the session, I'm going to ask you to survey how you got, how much information you got, how valuable it was, and that will improve our performance in the future. Hopefully, you will attend either as a normal attendee without paying for it, or as a VIP. It doesn't matter. If you can afford it, $299, I recommend you to go for VIP, because you will have so much information, so much other benefits that the others will not have. And you will be a member of our VIP club, and you will get a lot of benefits in future, next 12 months. Therefore, go ahead. The links are on the site here, and you just click on registration, and you decide whether you want to do free or you want to do VIP. Read the list of the benefits you're going to get if it's a VIP, And if you think you can afford it and those bonuses and complimentary package we are giving you is valuable to you, then go VIP. If not, just register as a free and attend. And because our capacity is very limited numbers, it might register quickly. So the first come, first serve. My name is Marco Rossi from Marco Rossi & Co. Public Accountants, and we are proud to present this workshop to you.